Hello. Oh, I got a message from Facebook. Interesting. Not really. Move away. So, actually, it's kind of weird. It looks like I'm not sure. Is this phone doing better than the iPhone? I can't imagine. It has some noise. Because it's not very light in here as usual. I tend to kind of do this stuff later in the day. I'm not sure why. But anyhow, I made a second panel because it's almost like a, I don't know, 30-minute build. Because I have these old panels. And so far, I am really, I'm really pleased. Because it is easy to construct and it looks like it kind of works. And one of the best things, actually, is I somehow, and I'm still not sure what it is. I'll show you real quick. I somehow thought by doubling the surface area, you gain 3 dB. As with normal loudspeakers, you gain 3 dB. Well, if you put it parallel, you get twice the power as well, because the impedance drops by half. So twice the amount of watts going into the speakers. And, so that's 3 dB. And you got twice the surface area. So in this case, I thought, well, I got twice the amount of surface area, not so much dropping the impedance by 2. So I gain 3 dB, but actually I gain 6 dB, and I'm really not sure why. The explanation might lie into the impedance measurement. If the impedance drops by half, which I cannot imagine, because that's not how a transformer works, I think, with twice the capacity. So I have no clue. Kind of weird. But I ended up with 6 dB more output, so I could like put the woofer back at 0. And also plays a little bit lower. And I didn't have to filter the high end as much. That's where the kind of the gain is, actually. Or before I had to minus 9 dB or something, and now it's like minus 6 or something. I don't know. Anyhow, it plays really well. Distortion is slightly lower than only one panel, but still, I mean, it is rather low. And no weird stuff. No arcing or whatever. I think even these panels are playing at like it's really easy for them, because my high voltage is not. It is high, but it's not as high as the panels were used to. As they used to have. It was like really 5K something, and now it's only 3 point something K. So they don't really mind much. Another thing is that because the copper is further away than in my previous panel, that could account for some loss as well. Because I think that's also 3 dB or 6 dB. I'm getting mixed up right now, so I don't know. Might be 6 dB even. Anyhow, with this insulating FR4 PCB material in between the membrane and the copper, I guess you can crank up the high voltage even more. But I don't do it too much. I mean, things corrode and die. Just because of high voltage, ozone and whatever. So this is my other phone, and I'm gonna see if this does better. At least it looks better. Probably the color correction is not right, because it looks a little bit too nice reddish. Although it looks like pleasant, but... Okay, I'm gonna do one song just because this thing has way more output. Well, 6 dB, well, and it increases, of course, how it sounds as well, kind of. And I'm sitting further away, much further away, so it's not gonna sound as direct as before, but I wonder what's left of it. I'm sitting like 1.5 meters away or something. I'm sitting actually on my couch, and the stuff is standing a little bit, well, 20 centimeters from my couch. But let's see, I mean... Oh, as you've seen maybe in the measurements there on the laptop thingy, they're actually kind of the same. Except for that I have to put less filtering in there. And it's 6 dB louder, 5 or 6 dB. Which is quite a nice effort in like 30 minutes. So, Emiliana Torrini, once more, In the Rain, acoustic. Easy, it's called, the song. It's a really nice song. She has a lot of nice songs.
It's not an accident, you meant to touch me, and that's exactly why I'm here. A trick of confidence, 20 years inside, you're exactly what I need. But I don't have time to play, so put your toys away. Don't take it easy. Why should we take it easy? Yeah. Should we take it easy? Break into the park with the inside, striking up a costume ball. The light is lovely here in the neon glow. I could never want for more. But I don't have time to play, so put your toys away. Don't take it easy. Why should we take it easy? Yeah. Should we take it easy? Why should we take it easy? Gonna live like a diver in the high. Gonna live like I never die. And if I try, I might just feel connected. Gonna live like a diver in the high. Gonna live like I never die. And if I try, I might just feel connected. Gonna live like a diver in the high. It's a touch like I never die. And if I try, I might just feel connected. Gonna live like a diver in the high. Gonna live like I never die. If I try, I might just feel connected. Gonna live like I never die. Like a diver, I might just feel connected. Gonna live like I never die. Like a diver, I might just feel connected. Gonna live like I never die. Like a diver, just feel connected.
What I wonder, and might be a really noob question, but because, well, I'm no expert at all. I just play with this kind of stuff, and I'll tell what my findings are, but it's not that I know everything, definitely not. So I wonder if a normal ESL works the same. Doubling means +6. I somehow always thought it was +3. Doubling the voltage was +6. I don't know. It might be Well, I just don't know. I might actually ask some people that do know, probably. And then they're probably gonna laugh in my face and say, dude, of course it's 6 dB. Okay. Well, anyhow, see you around.